These meat birds are 2 months and about a week, maybe 2 months and 2 weeks. We're probably, well, 3 weeks from processing, but I've got to move this chicken tractor, and I want to show you how crazy they get after feed. Ralph Mann, Mann's Outdoors. I pull these around 10 foot. The chicken tractor is 10 foot by 10 foot. I use cattle panels to make the hoop. We've got a tarp on the back 2/3. I've got a door. This is over, I'm 6'2", and I can stand up in there without a problem. I built it that way for a reason. I kind of took a couple of folks' different chicken tractor models and made it the way I wanted it. So this is very handy, but these meat birds, they'll be processed probably on May 2nd. Today is what, April the 12th, and so we're about 3 weeks out. But these things love to eat. I'm gonna show you. I've got to move them first, and then we'll get in there and give them some feed. I don't worry about them jumping out of the open door. They're too heavy, but I've got to move them. I'm gonna bring them back about to here, and then we'll get inside. I removed the standalone waterer. We have a bell waterer in there as well. The feeders are actually hanging on chains, so I don't have to remove them. And I have folded our side protection up. I've got it bungeed right here, so that is up, so I can pull it without hanging up. When they're out of feed and on new grass, they will forage, which is a good thing. We want them eating bugs and grass, and we're about to feed them, and that's a madhouse. Here we go. It's feeding time. All right, crazies. They're eating faster than I can put it in there. Annie, nope. Annie, the guard dog, was wanting to come join us. Because we have the hanging feeders, it's super easy to move. We don't have to go in and get feed out, all of those kind of things. But I will tell you, it's a madhouse when you start putting feed in the feeders with them in there. I don't have a choice. You might have noticed I even spilt some on top of them, but they'll eat it off of each other. Man, these things can eat. Ralph Mann, Mann's Outdoors, just one of my daily chores. But it's always amazing how these things go after this. They'll eat for a little bit, then they'll stop, they'll rest, and then they'll go back. I only feed them about enough for about 12 hours because we still want them to peck and scratch and go ahead and eat grass and bugs. Till next time, God bless.